AliExpress order cancel. How to cancel order from AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can cancel order from AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically cancel your order, now there isn't a specific thing, because what happens is that it also really depends upon how long has it been since your order has been taken place for, because sometimes your order could have already been packaged by the seller, they must already be sent to the warehouse. In that case your order, you will not find the cancel button, and in that case, as I said, you have to contact the customer support of AliExpress to be able to cancel your order. But in another case scenario where it's just been like an hour or two since you made your order and the seller has not really paid attention to it, in that case, if you are lucky, your order could still be cancelable. So to cancel that particular order, open up the AliExpress app, tap the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, then you'll find the option called orders. Just tap on the view all option here. Then if there is any sort of orders over here that is still cancelable, you can select that order. You'll find the cancel button there. When you tap the cancel option, you should be able to cancel that order and also get a refund. But if you don't, then in that case, as I said, you have to contact the customer support. I'll make sure to drop the email or their number directly in the description box below. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.